So you're thinking about moving to San Diego, California. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of a freshly renovated home in a centrally located suburb of San Diego called Clairemont. Now, before we head over to the home tour, I want to take a few minutes to highlight what Clairemont has to offer when it comes to lifestyle. So whether you're already thinking about moving here or just want to learn more, stick around to take a closer look at Clairemont, but also take a tour of an absolutely gorgeous home. All right, let's get started. Hey everyone, Cece Summerfield here with Homes by Cece, and if this is your first time to my channel, and you want to learn everything there is to know about what it's like to work, play, sleep, and live in San Diego, then make sure to tap on the subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video.
Let's start with the closest shopping center where I am now that is within walking distance of the house we'll be touring today. As you can see, there are a multitude of stores here, including a Vons for groceries, a few restaurants, and a Kohl's. Right across Balboa Avenue, you'll find even more stores like Target and Home Depot. Clairemont really has a lot to offer when it comes to shopping. Everything is within 10 minutes away. It's super centrally located within the greater San Diego area with easy access to the 5 and 805 freeways, which makes it a desirable place to live, especially when you have to commute for work.
It's also only about 15 minutes from the beach, so if you want easy beach access without paying the coastal home price, this could be a great option. Clairemont has a total population of around 80,000, and it's divided into 4 main areas. You have West Clairemont, East Clairemont, North Clairemont, and Bay Ho. There are some really nice bay views from some of the homes in West Clairemont. And east and north Clairemont, you'll find nice ranch-style homes with spacious yards in a suburban type of neighborhood. Bay Ho is the most coastal and has easy access to the 52 West Freeway, and that's a straight shot down to the seaside village of La Jolla. Clairemont is very popular for families because of the variety of school choices, recreation with numerous parks, easy access to everything San Diego has to offer, and more affordable housing compared to other areas of San Diego. All right, let's head over to the house I want to show you today. So as you can see, as we walk down the street, there are a mix of houses, some updated, others not. And the majority of houses in this neighborhood were built in the late 50s and early 60s and were originally a standard 11 to about 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and usually a 2-car attached garage. You can see that some homeowners have made additions or put a second story on, like the one back there. And the lots are generally around 6,000 square feet, which gives you a pretty nice sized yard and plenty of room to add on. Entering in, you're greeted by this open concept living area, which includes your living room, kitchen, and dining. Freshly painted with brand new vinyl plank flooring. One of the other things that I want to point out to you in this living room is the brand new doors and windows. They're white vinyl doors and windows in this house. Like I said, nothing has been left untouched. You also have upgrades such as new recessed lighting. And we also, because this house was built back in the 60s, had the popcorn ceiling. And so now it's a completely flat finish and it just looks amazing. Let's move over into the kitchen. Just look at this big, beautiful island. Can you imagine hosting your friends and family for a nice evening in for dinner, or just having your kids at a breakfast bar for breakfast every morning? And one of my favorite things in this kitchen, and somewhat new to most houses, is this really cool microwave drawer. I just can't get over all the settings that are on here. I want one of these for my house. This kitchen, being brand new as it is, also comes with some beautiful cabinetry. It's real wood. It's a light colored wood accented by black hardware, which is really nice. And you can see inside it's actual real wood cabinetry, which is nice. So very nice cabinets, soft closed drawers as well. You have a 6-burner stainless steel stovetop, which is also really nice. I would love to be cooking pancakes on here for breakfast, along with the famous farmhouse sink. I have to say, I really love the black trim in the kitchen here with the black handles, the black faucet, And the white, everything else is so bright and just light. You also have your stainless steel dishwasher right over here. And so you don't have a garbage can out, you got the drawer. Also a lovely feature in newer homes like this. And as you would expect, the matching stainless steel refrigerator. It completes this kitchen. And I just, I can't say enough good things about this kitchen. It's just so beautiful. Even with this large, beautiful island in here, you still have plenty of room for an 8-seat dining table. As you can see, this table right here is pretty darn big. And for 1,252 square feet, it sure feels bigger with this open concept living. Right behind me here, you have access to the attached garage and also a door out to the side yard where you can keep your garbage cans, which is great, so you don't have to have them out front. So as you can see, this kitchen and living area really offer a beautiful open space for entertaining or just hanging with family. And hey, that Sunday football game would go really good on that wall over there. So let's head back to the bedrooms and check those out. The first room down the hallway is the guest bath. And as you can see, it has a beautiful open shower with a nice ceramic tile, a set-in area for your shelf for your shampoos and body washes, rainfall shower head, and matching stone countertop vanity with the same kind of cabinets that are in the kitchen. So here I am in the primary bedroom, and as you can see, there's a ton of light pouring in here from these windows. Obviously, you're going to put some shades up, I'm sure, but it is nice to have that natural light coming in. And also, again, throughout the house, brand new vinyl white windows. You also have dual closets, so plenty of space for, both everybody's clothes. And it walks directly into your primary bathroom. Now there's a special feature in the primary bathroom that I want to point out to you, and I think you're gonna like it just as much as me. So my second favorite thing about this house that does not include the kitchen is this absolutely gorgeous shower. I love the finish. They did a kind of almost like a plank tile here. Almost looks like wood, but it's actually tile, so super easy to clean. These beautiful glass doors, one open, obviously one glass wall right here. My absolute favorite thing about this shower is the actual handheld. I think this is a really great extra touch to make this extra luxurious as a primary bathroom here in this house.
This home has 2 other generously sized bedrooms with vinyl plank flooring, ceiling fans, and mirrored closet doors.
I want to show you this beautiful big grassy backyard, and also this great sitting area right outside here. Can you imagine having barbecues out here and entertaining friends and enjoying this beautiful sunshine and all the outdoor weather that San Diego has to offer pretty much year round? And as we move into the yard, I want to note that they put in brand new sod, and there's automatic sprinklers throughout the grass. And moving out into this yard, a couple things that have been left original, this very mature fruitless mulberry tree, and also a tree over here. So although this yard has been done already for you and there's really nothing else you need to do for it, you still have the option of creating a terraced area along the hillside back here, or bringing your personal touches in. But can you imagine maybe putting a swing up on the tree, or, like I said, having a terraced garden out here, or maybe even a nice hot tub. And the icing on the cake for this house is that you have solar right there on the brand new roof. Thanks for taking a tour of this beautiful home with me today and getting to know the neighborhood of Clairemont just a bit better. If you're considering a move to Clairemont or anywhere in San Diego, feel free to reach out. You can give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. All the information is in the description box for this video, and I hope to just have a conversation with you to talk through your situation and see if it's the right fit and time for you. Until next time, when I bring you another video about living in San Diego, California.